In this video, you can find out how to assemble the shutter frame with T-posts and pre-drill the holes ready for fitting. Start by fitting the T-post connectors to the top and bottom frames. These are screwed in place using the screws provided, so you'll need a square drive bit like this. Take two connectors and with the protruding fingers pointing downwards, sit one on the other so they interlock. Place the connector on the frame over the two pre-drilled holes, so the protruding fingers overlap the edge of the frame. Centralize the blocks over the holes. They can be adjusted during fitting if required. Don't worry about the third hole on its own. Fit all the T-post connectors and ensure any extensions are level with each other at the ends. Restick the stickers to keep them in position. Lay out the top and bottom frames and fit the T-post between them, ensuring any T-post with hinges on them match your folding configuration. The T-post pushes over the end of the connector. Using the screws provided, screw sideways through the pre-drilled holes to lock the T-post into position. Place the left and right frames into position. The frames are marked left, right, and top and bottom on the sticky labels. Where possible, we recommend gluing the corners using a two-part mitre glue. I'll show you without glue first. Insert the corner connectors to the side frame, then push the frame in towards the T-post until the connectors snap into place. Give them a little tap with a hammer to make sure they locate properly. Repeat this for the other side. When gluing, use some cardboard to keep the frames level and to protect the floor. Spray one end of the frame and glue the other. Insert the connector and bring the mitres together, holding for about 10 seconds. Remove the labels and mark in pencil which is the top of the frame. Lift the frame into place so you can mark where you're going to drill. Place a couple of packers underneath the frame to make sure it's in correct position. Mark in pencil where you're going to drill your holes, underneath each hinge and above the top hinge, in the corners by the T-post and in the centre of the frame. The next step is to drill 10mm pilot holes through the first layer of plastic. Take care not to mark the edge of the frame. Change to a long 4mm drill bit to pilot the screw holes. Take care not to catch the chuck of the drill on the edge of the frame. You may need to angle the hole slightly depending on how much window frame you have to fix into. You're now ready to start installing the shutter frame to your window. And you can watch how to do this in our T-post fitting video.